Hey everyone, welcome back to Barnes
Hello.
on Move. We are a day late, the GPSMyCity drawing, and so we are excited. We pulled the names on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
Instagram, YouTube, Facebook.
For those that told us where they would use the app, we appreciate that very much. We're excited. There were some really cool places. And I've made BJ stop working so that he can do our drawing. And by the time this video comes out, we will contact you first and then we'll post the video. BJ, let's find out who our winners are.
All right, so
Let's go with, what's that top one? Instagram first. We shall pull this one for Instagram. All right.
So for Instagram, Gypsy Hustle.
woohoo!
All right,
Yay,
Gypsy
Gypsy
Hustle.
Hustle.
Congratulations.
Let's see. YouTube is one. All right, there's one for YouTube.
And Craig and Joan on YouTube, congratulations.
Let's see. Facebook, one green. All right. And then for Facebook.
Our winner is Todd and Val Hogue. Yay.
Congratulations, guys. When y'all get to using this, let us know how it was and what cities you used it in, because adventures are fun.
We're excited about this. We will get in touch with you guys, and that way you can get your 1-year subscription to the program. If you didn't win it, go ahead and download the app anyway.
There's a couple of features that are included with the subscription that are not included for the free.
Right. Again, congratulations, you guys, and we'll see you out there.